Connect one end of the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Plug the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The display lights up and the image appears on the screen. First, touch the CH key to switch to the channel that needs pairing signal. Touch the second key to enter menu mode. Touch the OK key to enter the pairing countdown. Press the power button on the side of the camera to turn on the camera. An image appears on the screen, indicating successful pairing.